So there are a lot of scammy bots out there, Telegram bots to be exact, that are actually say to be working, that require you to invest your money upfront so that you make a bit of cash, maybe double your amount in 24 hours, in 7 days and so forth. But most of those Telegram bots are actually scams. So they usually work for the first 3 days, 3 weeks or so, and then they just disappear. Like I've had the worst experiences with such bots, and so I've decided to make this quick video on how you can actually earn some free cryptocurrencies using bots that actually work, that are actually legit, that I've been able to withdraw from. So right now I'm going to share with you 5 legit bots that I've been able to use and withdraw money from for simply viewing ads, viewing websites, and doing other different things on that they actually require you to do so that you get paid, right? So stay tuned to this video, watch all the way to the end so that you get all 5. The links are going to be down below so that you get the real legit ones instead of the fake bots. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to this channel, I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button, turn notifications, and leave a comment down below if you got any questions. We also have a Telegram group where we do share a lot of ways to make free cryptocurrencies online. So if you're interested in that, check the link down below in the description as well. So let's get into today's video. So I've actually done a few videos on these bots. So if you have missed them, I think I'm also going to leave a link down below to the playlist where you can find the payment proof and so forth, where I actually did a live withdrawal with my YouTube subscribers. So if you're not here, subscribe. Again, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos that I upload. So the first one is going to be the ZEC Click bot. So the ZEC Click bot is basically a way to earn cryptocurrency, the ZEC cryptocurrency. Basically, these are the 3 ways you can earn this currency with. So you can either view websites, message bots, join chats, or refer other people to this, so that when they view the website, when they use it, you actually earn a bit of commission on that as well. So I think it's about 5 or 10% on that. But the most way you'll be able to make this, the most amount of money, is basically by these 3 ways here, right here. View websites. So if you just click on it, it will give you a link, and then all you have to do is to click the website and then stay on that website for at least 10 seconds, and then you'll be able to receive your reward for that, and then you'll be able to move on to the next one, right? So if you just switch it on to my web browser, so you can do this either on a mobile phone or on your PC, on your whatever device you have that can connect you to the internet and be able to use Telegram on it. You'll be able to get these bots. So again, as I said, as you can see in the corner right there, it's showing me a message. So I'm going to stay on this for 30 seconds actually with this one. So it just depends on how much you're going to be earning for that specific website that you're visiting, right? So if it requires more seconds, that means you are basically getting more than somebody who's going to wait there for 10 seconds, right? So that's basically how all these websites or all these bots that I'm going to be sharing you basically works. I'm just demonstrating with this first one so that you'll be able to see how they actually work. So I'm just you can actually just browse through and see what is going on. If you're interested in some of these things, they're actually legit. You can actually use them to start earning as well. I just finished, so that's how much I was able to earn, and then I get notified that that's how much I earned. So I can just open that message to go back, and then you'll be able to view the next one. So that's basically how all these websites work. And then you can also message bots. So that's another one. So there are no new ads available right now. So you can also set up for your own ads with this, because it's a legit app. It's basically just to drive traffic to your websites, to anything that you want to get referrals for, or anything that you want to get traffic to. Okay, so that's basically how it works. And then you can join chats as well, but then currently nothing so far. So the best way right now is just to view sites, because there's some that are there, but at some point you actually have a lot of these available. So let's move on to the second one. The second one is going to be let's go to the Doge bot. So the Doge, I was able to generate, I think this was my first payment that I've been able to do. So the minimum to withdraw on this bot is 5 Doge, and you'll be able to receive your Doge. So there are different ways or different platforms that you can use to withdraw your coins. What I mean by that, like, I know for blockchain you only have 4 cryptocurrencies that you can store there, or 4 or 5. So what you have to do is just to look for cryptocurrency wallet that you'll be able to store all your coins on. So the best way to find that is to go to CoinMarketCap. On CoinMarketCap, basically they have all the types of exchanges that you will be able. As you can see, they have about 20,900 exchanges, markets that's basically exchanges where you can use them to exchange your cryptocurrencies for other currencies. Then you can transact them into your own local currency or whatever currency that you want to use them as, your earnings as, right? So you just search for, let's say you want to exchange Doge, you want to withdraw Doge, so you go right here, search for Doge, you search for Doge, and then click on it. Then you'll be able to see the markets that are actually where you're able to transact your Doge for other cryptocurrencies. And then, I mean, the best way to transact these cryptocurrencies is if you get them into Ethereum or Bitcoin, mostly Bitcoin, because I have the link down below also where you can transact your Bitcoin into any local currencies very, very quick and very easy. So as you can see, one Doge is basically worth this much for now, right now, as of today. So if you just scroll down a little bit, you'll see the markets where it says market. So if you click on this, it'll give you a list of markets which you can basically join. And then when you join this markets, you'll be able to send your cryptocurrencies. You withdraw them from your Telegram group, from your Telegram bot to that exchange, and then you'll be able to transact them or trade them for other cryptocurrencies, and then withdraw that and trade that for other cryptocurrencies, right? So as you can see, it was worth about 1 cent at some point. So it is good to get these cryptocurrencies and just hold on to them if you're not in need of them to transact them instantly. If you hold on to them, you'll be able to go to transact into bigger money later on. So as you can see, one of my favorites is actually P2BB. This is actually an amazing cryptocurrency exchange or wallet. You can use it as both. So most of these I actually use them. So it just depends on where you are. Hit BTC is a good one as well, and Hotbit. So these are legit. All these exchanges that you find here are actually legit. They are verified. So down below, I'm gonna leave links to the bots as well as to CoinMarketCap and another website where you can find the best cryptocurrency exchanges. So let's say you want to exchange your Ethereum for Bitcoin. You need to find the one that will actually give you the lowest cost so that you get the most Bitcoin for your Ethereum, right? So I'm going to leave a link down to that as well as one crypto exchange that I'm using to exchange my cryptocurrency into PayPal Money, Payee, and so forth. So I'll also leave a link down below to that. So just check the links down below for anything that you want, and then you'll be able to get started right now. So as you can see, that was a Doge. Same procedure if we just go to the menu. So it's very easy. If you don't have Telegram, Telegram is for free. You can get it, you can download it right now and get started with it. So you view sites, message bots, join chats as well. So let's just see if there are any message. Okay, this one also doesn't now have right now, it only has websites. Let's see, let's move on to the next one. So the next one is going to be Bitcoin. So this one I haven't actually transacted anything. I recently started with this one, so I still need to see. But I know it's legit because it's by the same group, the same people who are making this bots, the legit ones. So I know that this one will also be able to withdraw. So just use it and then be able to transact once you actually have your once you reach the minimum to be able to withdraw, right? So let's go to my second favorite, which is BCH, so Bitcoin Cash. So this one you'll be able to earn Bitcoin Cash with it. So it's the same procedure. I just want to see if we have anything here. Okay, this one is the one that actually has message bots. So this one you'll be able to message bots. You'll be able to join chats as well. So this one is actually just have right now. So as well as view websites. So that's the 3 ways to earn the most BCH coins using this click bots. So the same procedure as I showed in the previous round. So my balance right now is just that, but I think I need at least 1, 2, 3, 4, somewhere like there to be able to withdraw. So once I do reach that amount, I'll be able to withdraw, and then I will share that with you as well. So join the Telegram group, hit the subscribe button here as well so that you don't miss a video when I upload it. And then my favorite one that I've been able to withdraw the most out of is this LTC bot, because it's just easy to use. It's really amazing. I really like the LTC currency as well, so it's one of my favorite currencies that I use. So as you can see, I've been able to withdraw at least 3 times on this one, on this bot, LTC bot. So it's legit, it works. So here are my latest transactions. As you can see, this is the most that I've been able to withdraw in one transaction, and then another one, there was a second, and then this is my last transaction. So to be able to withdraw, minimum is 3 zeros after the comma with a 4. So that's how much you need to be able to withdraw, and then you can transact it for anything that you want. So one LTC right now, I think is worth about 80 USD for one LTC. So that's less than, I think a total of this is just about $1. But I mean, it's cryptocurrency, anything can happen any day. So you can get as much as you want and hold on to it or trade it if you need to transact it that instantly. But I would always recommend that you hold on to your cryptocurrencies. So I just saw a post on Instagram right now saying that only 3 million Bitcoins left out of the 19 million. I think that there's a max cap on Bitcoin. So that means once that Bitcoin is all minted, that Bitcoin, once it's all mined, then the price is going to start going up. So that's what I look for when it comes to cryptocurrencies, because a lot of people have been able to make great wealth out of these cryptocurrencies just by holding onto them. So I just find easy ways to get your cryptocurrency so that you hold a certain amount of cryptocurrencies, so that whenever it goes up, then you know you have something to actually hold on to and then trade for when the price is like really, really high. Also, you can check out the previous videos that I made on this channel where I talk about Asimi token, which is one of the most uprising cryptocurrencies that I'm looking forward to. So the Asimi token, it's really, really powerful. Came all the way from $25 for one, and now it's trading around 3 or 4 cents. So it's the best way to get it right now. Best time to get it right now, and then just transact it. So you can also get it for free using Hashing Airspace. So check out the videos on this platform, on this YouTube channel, and I really appreciate you watching all the way to the end. So if you got any questions, don't forget to hit me up on Telegram group, or you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Once again, thanks for watching all the way to the end. I really appreciate your time. So I'll see you on the next one. Peace.